I'm Eric Beda, and I'm the ICT lead from the SASIS Foundation from One Health. I'm here today to tell you about a project that we coined as One Health Detect, and it's been generously funded by the Ending Pandemics. And one of the key deliverables of this project is to develop a shared dashboard whereby different sector ministries we collect rumors and share it across different sector ministries and departments so that it can be coordinated by the One Health section under the Prime Minister's office. So one of the key items that we do is, so basically the idea is to be able to build technologies that may rapidly collect rumors, verify them, and be able to share them across different ministries so that the central ministry, the Prime Minister's office under the One Health section, may be able to coordinate the response for responding to these different public health threats. So the main tools that we're using for the data collection is twofold. First, we're doing data mining, whereby we web crawl between Twitter feeds and also Facebook feeds, categorizing them for various keywords that were of interest, and also through public participatory, whereby we have chatbots through WhatsApp, and also people can send through rumors through SMS, USSD, and also mobile apps, and that gives them interactivity. So one of the main challenges in terms of while you're collecting such huge amount of data from the public through data mining or through public participatory is how to filter out the noise. So with that, we try to develop a tool that we coined also AfyaWatch, which is basically a tool for automating the prioritization and also the confirmation of these rumors that are being collected. So it's basically a crowd confirming tool whereby whenever we capture a rumor within the vicinity of a certain village, what we do is we send out a question to other participants who are registered using the village for them, and then we ask them a simple question like, let's say if we collect a rumor that says there's a wildfire in village A, and then we have like 4 or 5 different users within the same vicinity of that village. We broadcast a message to those other participants, just asking them if there was a wildfire in that village, and they just have to respond with a simple yes or no. And these responses are tallied, and once it reaches a certain threshold, we can later say that it's crowd confirmed. And this really reduces the amount of work that as we know, resources are very scarce at the various ministries for response, so they can prioritize what they should actually go back and respond to. So in order to have it to be a self-policing model, we also introduced something we call like the credibility points, whereby every user, when they're responding in terms of confirming a certain rumor, they have a credibility score, and those are weighted. So if you give false reports in terms of the confirmation, your credibility score reduces. If you give true responses, you get it gets added. Something like a credit score, if you're talking about like in the banking system. So it's using the same model, and this really helps us. We felt that this really helps us in terms of ensuring that people don't trying to how should I put it? Try to deframe the system. And so after that, once we collect all the rumors, and once the crowd verified, crowd confirmed, that's when we share it on the dashboard, and the different sector ministries will have access to that data, and so they can do the actual response. So this is, in the full view, this is how our platform has been designed, and the key user here is the one in red there. Well, that's the Prime Minister's office, because they have the mandate of being able to direct the various different sector ministries to do the response. And in many cases, when this is a One Health type of event, let's say if it's a cholera outbreak, you find out there's more than one ministry that needs to be involved in the response. And we found out the Prime Minister's office under the One Health section, DEX, Those are the ones who have mandate that can really instruct the Ministry of Water and Sewerages to go to response. They can instruct the Ministry of Health and the different partners. Thank you very much.